used to have a brilliant brain, sparkling like the morning sun, quick with jokes, witty and sane. My great mother was the one, mommy and daddy full of pride. They complied with my demands, 7,000 million bytes. A new cell phone in my hand, it can serve, it can thrive. Only now it's in command. I've forgotten how to reason. What's the point of my head? My big brain, full of wisdom, now it's stuck in the web. I don't know my way home if I don't have my guidance apps. I don't speak anymore. There's no point, I send WhatsApps. I don't know where is my bedroom, my friend, my mother, my classroom. And without help from my cell phone, I don't know how to use the bathroom. I've forgotten how to reason. What's the point of my head? My big brain, full of wisdom, now it's stuck in the web. I've forgotten how to reason. What's the point of my head? My big brain, so full of wisdom, now it's stuck in the web.